Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit College 0. I-Orlando Pirates i-champion, i-champion bale league. Mfowethu igama konje uthini?
Ufana Mazibuko mfowethu.
Mazibuko.
Thank you.
Yeah, uthini mfowethu?
Thank you. Lucas Bonge, I want to thank ngicela ukubonga nje ukubonga uchairman omkhulu Dr. Ivan Khoza for bringing us happiness again in Orlando Pirates family. Sibonge ama-fans wonke since sajabula isizini iqala iziyophela
ngosuku lokuphela
celebrate
ngenza ngani
ukuzimisela mfowethu azipheli moya ibhakaliya elikhulu leli.
Mina ngithi mhlambe nithwele
lutho baba ukuzimisela dedication and communication kuma players, from coaches, from good staff. Ngicela nje ukubonga nje kuwo wonke amabhakaniya wonke. Asibonga
mhlawumbe imfihlo yePirates mawuthi uyabheka kule season yenza ukuthi yenze kahle
kangaka. Ngiyacabanga from uKhoza makanika umfana wakhe ilokhunjana intambo with new ideas, with new everything from the social media, from kuphi. I think yonke into iqale khona lapho. Yazi yathelelana kuma fans, yazi yathelelana ku coach, yazi yathelelana ku staff na kuma players. And thank you for everybody who put everything effort to success a Pirate. Thank you,
including the fans, because most of the games are sold out.
Mamela,
no one sold games out more than
wonke ama game e Pirate iclub enkulu lesebuya senze kanjani. Iclub enkulu le Iqakaliya ezimnyama ezikamagebhu leza.
Is Orlando Pirates replacing Kaizer Chiefs as the most hated team? The most hated team.
Ngiyacabanga dala sayi-replace. Dala sayi-replace Nduna. It was just a matter of time. It was just a matter of time, but nje ngibonga kuwo wonke amabhakaniya, we don't here to replace, we just here to conquer and put our name on top. That's it.
CAF Champions League is next.
We're coming for Champions League. I think we're ready. I think we're ready as players, as supporters, and we're ready to if Sundowns I'll touch. CAF. I kumele kube yithi silithatha CAF i-Star Speed. Nazo.
Thank you my brother.
Asibonge Bhakaliya.
We talk football SA.
Thank you. Asibonge Bhakaliya.